What's up? What's up? My people, we are back. Welcome back to another video. And you know, today we have our special guest, Mommy. Mommy is in the building again. So everybody say, what's up, Mommy, in the comments right now.
Hey, how are you?
This is Auntie G. For everybody who wants to know, Miss Gretchen or Auntie G, this is Mommy. Yeah? And guess where we are today? We are at the beach. Guys, we're at the beach. So let's go. Go. Ask Mommy, I pretty up. To go
No,
to the beach. People, she prettying up to go dip in the water. Mommy's a hot girl, you know? Mommy's a hot girl.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, so we catch you back when we go down this hill and ready to go in the water. Alright, so soon in like 3 minutes. Guys, so we're walking down, figuring out where to walk, because what is that piece of rope? Is that the entrance? Them put piece of rope. Them never have rope the last time. Anyways, you can jump over that, Mommy. Mommy can jump over that. You can jump over that, or you can just go. We could have just go under. We can go under. Let me lift it up for you. Me can bend them. Me lift it up for you. Wait. Guys, we reached and we are alone here. We are alone at the beach. Watch your step. So, right, we're gonna try and find our spot now. Let's go find our spot. Take it out for you. No. Okay guys, so we got our table, got some chairs. We're about to just put our things together and head out into the ocean. At Mommy. Your phone being rude. So we're heading out into the ocean now. So we're heading out. Oh, perfect. Oh my gosh. Perfect. People, the water is so nice and warm. Oh my gosh. I said I was just gonna dip my foot, but I'm heading out there. I'm heading out there, my side. Heading out there. Okay, my side, I'm going to immerse myself into the water now. So, catching the back in a few. When I come back, I'm soaking wet. Soaking wet. Alright, guys, like the beach is my favorite place in the world. So, you have to see with me. Like, I'm just happy. I'm up on cloud 100. People, got a little snack. So, we're having a good time. We're enjoying our day.
And the water is just so lovely, awesome. The water is nice and warm.
Water nice and warm. Right. Or the +4 or the plus or the skip or the any one of the pretty girls. I'm gonna show you right now. Alright. People, she win me. She win me, people, she win me. And it's our first time playing in a long time. I'm a loser. She's a winner. people. We just played the second game. It lasted like 1 minute. 1 minute. And I'm a loser. Again.
It's me.
Winner again. Cheers No sir.
One eternity later.
People win.
I was gonna play it.
People win.
Why didn't I put that?
No, you did not put it there because it was not supposed to be there. It was not to be there. I am the winner. Me win. People win finally. 2-1. I can play one more. The winner of this one is the winner. Is either we're going tie or mommy going win. Alright, so let's see. People, look for mommy beer. Mommy have a grand time. Watch it. Look at mine. Right? This is mine. And this is mommy own. Come, we could put them side and side. Because what is going on here? What is going on here? People, she win again. She's the winner. She's the winner.
It's my day, so guess what? I am the winner.
People, I just got beat 3 times. 3 times. 3 times, people. Okay, congratulations, mommy. You're the winner.
Thank you. It's my day, so guess
It's your day. She's the winner. Yeah. People just came out for the second time. Breeze a blow, we're cool. Breeze a blow and It's just a little chilly. Just a little bit. Just a little chilly. Anyways, that's a wrap for the water. That is a wrap for the water. That's cool.
Oh my god, guys! I found some turtles. I don't know if you can see them, but they're right there. Right there. Yes. That is so cool.
Hello, little thing. I don't know what that is. Is that a duck? I don't know what that is. Huh? Oh. The parrots were right there.
Turn on the thing full blast now.
Can't tell them my secret location paper. Just know say it nice. That's all. Okay guys, and that is a wrap for today.
That was an awesome day.
Lovely
I
day
enjoyed
today.
it. The
Had
water
a
was
good day,
lovely.
don't it? It was a good day. The
Yeah,
water was
was
so
awesome.
nice. Mommy said the
Like-
water nice about 100 times. You know? So you know say the water nice for real. Water nice man. It was a nice day. Not going to tell you where we were though. But if you know,
You know.
you know. Yeah?
Mm.
If you know, you know. And if you don't know, oh shh. So I'll catch you guys again for another vlog. I don't know what we're doing. Don't know where we're going.
But somewhere.
But somewhere. So see you guys again next time. Remember to subscribe. Tell them to like and share and
Like
comment.
and share and comment.
And
Love you all.
subscribe.
Thank you so much.
Say, make sure to subscribe to Out and About with Sash.
Make sure you subscribe to Out and About with Sarah.
That's right. All right, gang. Bye.